I'm Yusuf from Glorious TV. So right now, I just received this sexy, beautiful beast, 010X. I'm gonna take it for a spin and see how it goes. Over here, you have 2x1000 watt motors that peaks at 3200 watt. There's a unique hydraulic spring suspension that used on a motorcycle. The best part is you can just tune it using a wrench without even removing it from the scooter. And inside this deck, there's a 24 amp lithium battery, 52 volt. It comes with a double clamp which makes the stand more rigid. It comes with a clock feature. Turn it and switch it on. Okay, there you have it, the 010X. You see me, what I've done with the 010X, and it performs way better than I expected. So if you plan to upgrade from your current scooter, this is the best option. It's affordable at a price of $1,400 US. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, subscribe and like my channel. Oh, by the way, don't forget to share.